Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about an ultra luxury residential project by the renowned Brigade Group, Brigade Insignia, which is located in Yelahanka, Bangalore. If you are looking for a spacious luxury home with world-class amenities, excellent connectivity and strong long-term investment potential, then this project is definitely worth your attention. In this video, we will cover project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers, and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Brigade Insignia is a premium gated community spread across approximately 5.88 acres in Yelahanka, one of the North Bengaluru's fastest growing residential location. The project features 6 elegant residential towers with a configuration of 2 basement plus tilt plus 15 residential floors. And what's truly impressive is that the entire development has only 344 apartments, creating a peaceful, low-density environment where residents can enjoy more privacy and less crowding. Every home has been thoughtfully designed with a spacious layout, abundant natural light, excellent ventilation, and modern architecture that perfectly balances luxury and functionality. Whether you are planning to upgrade to a larger home or invest in one of the Bengaluru's most promising luxury market, then Brigade Insignia offers an exceptional living experience. Now, talking about the biggest advantage, that is location. So, Brigade Insignia is strategically located in Yelahanka, offering excellent connectivity to Kempegowda International Airport, Hebbal, Manyata Tech Park, and several educational institutions. The airport is approximately 25 minutes away, while Hebbal flyover can be reached in around 20 minutes. Manyata Tech Park is also just 20 to 25 minutes away, making daily commuting much easier for working professionals. Leading schools like Ryan International School and National Public School are nearby, along with Aster CMI Hospital and RMZ Galleria Mall for healthcare and shopping needs. Project also enjoys easy access to Bellary Road, Outer Ring Road, and Yelahanka Railway Station, making connectivity one of its strongest highlights. As North Bengaluru continues to witness rapid infrastructure development, Yelahanka has become one of the city's most sought-after residential destinations for both home buyers and investors. And now let's talk about amenities and lifestyle offering. So Brigade Insignia has been designed to offer a premium lifestyle where comfort, recreation, and wellness come together. Residents can enjoy a grand clubhouse, a beautifully designed swimming pool, a fully equipped gym, a multi-purpose hall, dedicated children play area, and ample parking facilities. These thoughtfully planned amenities create a vibrant community where every member of the family had something to enjoy. Now talking about the apartment configuration, so the project offers spacious home in multiple layouts. The 3 BHK apartments are approximately 2,145 square feet. The 3.5 BHK residences are around 2,481 square feet. The 4 BHK homes offer approximately 3,066 square feet of living space, and for those looking for something truly extraordinary, the 5 BHK residences range from approximately 4,137 to 5,827 square feet. These spacious layouts are ideal for modern families looking for comfort, luxury, and privacy. Coming to the pricing, so Brigade Insignia is positioned in the luxury segment with the prices starting from approximately 3.80 crore rupees onwards. The indicative pricing is around 19,000 rupees per square feet onwards, while the final pricing depends on the apartment configuration and availability. Booking details are available as per the developer's policy and prices may change over time. Talking about the master planning, so the project has been carefully designed to maximize privacy and open space. There are 6 premium residential towers with a high-speed elevator, landscape open areas, efficient floor layout, and low-density planning that ensures every resident enjoys a peaceful and comfortable environment. Whether you're buying your dream home or planning a long-term investment, this project offers an excellent balance of lifestyle, exclusivity, and future value. So if you are planning for a spacious luxury residence in one of the North Bengaluru's most premium neighborhood, then Brigade Insignia definitely deserves a place on your shortlist. For brochure, latest pricing detail, payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.